Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing. This is Ritendra. I am preacher of Bhagavad Gita. Today I am going to talk about caste system and Varna system and what does Lord Krishna say in Srimad Bhagavad Gita about caste system and Varna system. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is written by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Mahaprabhupada from ISKCON temple, and this is the most authentic source and this is the best version of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And I would say that Srimad Bhagavad Gita is neither religious book nor spiritual book, but in true sense it's pure book of the science and humanity. I am trying to propagate a humanity on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempt to commit suicide on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's start about Varna system and caste system. What Lord Krishna said. But before get into Srimad Bhagavad Gita, we would have to understand about Varna system is not same as a caste system. Caste system and Varna system both are different from each other. Listen it very carefully. Caste system and Varna system both are different from each other. Caste system and Varna system both are different from each other. How both are different from each other? Let's get into. Varna system basically based on occupation or profession of individual one. Basically based on occupation or profession of individual one. Listen it very carefully. Varna system is based on occupation or profession of individual one, while caste system based on birth of individual one. Whereas caste system based on birth of individual one. Varna system based on ability, skill and knowledge. Varna system is totally on the base of ability, skill and knowledge, whereas caste system is all about sequence. Brahmin son can only be Brahmin. Brahmin sons can only be Brahmin. Heritage और descent वारसागत चली जाती है. ब्राह्मण का बेटा ब्राह्मण बनेगा और कास्ट सिस्टम में क्षत्रिय का बेटा क्षत्रिय बनेगा, दलित का बेटा दलित बनेगा. दिस इज अ कास्ट सिस्टम. बट वर्णा सिस्टम में क्या है? ऑक्यूपेशन, योर एबिलिटी. अगर सपोज समवन इज दलित एंड ही हैज अ एबिलिटी, ही हैज अ गुड स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज, then his son, Dalit son, can be a Brahmin in Varna system. But this is not same in a caste system. Caste system is created. Caste system is only and only created by human for their own benefit. We all have created caste system for our own benefit, and caste system is mainly responsible for the discrimination, for the conflict between the two community. Caste system is mainly responsible for the conflict in society, and there is a fight in between two community. And because of this caste system, the system based on birth, the sequence, the heritage, the descent, which one is mainly responsible for disunity in the society? And whereas there is no unity in the society, whereas there is a disunity in the society, there is no dharma in the society. This is said by Lord Krishna. So caste system is totally against dharma. Caste system is a practice of adharma. Listen it very carefully. Caste system is practice of adharma. Caste system is practice of adharma. Listen it very carefully and keep this thing in your mind. Varna system, in short, competency of any individual one. Varna system, in short, based on competency of each and every individual one. Whereas caste system is only and only identity of father. Father is giving identity to his son, and son is giving his identity to his own son. So this is all about heritage. And in the Varna system, there is an individual identity, separate identity. I can create my own identity. I can develop my own ability. And these same things, Karna, Mahadaneshwari Karna was a victim of this caste system, not Varna system. Varna system was created by Lord, whereas caste system created by human beings for their own and personal benefit. उनको जो सही लगा, उनको अपना बेनिफिट दिखा, रजस तमस सत्व गुणों के आधारित उन्होंने कास्ट सिस्टम बना डाली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वर्ण सिस्टम को देख के। तो मतलब वही सीक्वेंस को फॉलो करने लगे, ब्राह्मण का बेटा ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय का बेटा क्षत्रिय। ऐसा वर्ण सिस्टम में नहीं है। लॉर्ड कृष्णा ने डिवीजन किया था वर्ण सिस्टम में ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एबिलिटीज, स्किल, नॉलेज एंड प्रोफेशन। इफ आई एम हैविंग अ ब्रेव हार्ट, I am having a warrior like characteristics, then I can be Kshatriya. If I raise my voice against all the injustice in the society, then I can be Kshatriya. This is said by Lord Krishna. So caste system and Varna system both are different from each other. I would say about Satyavan. Chandogya Upanishad, there is a story of Satyavan. Here Satyavan was a son of prostitute woman, prostitute mother, and she doesn't know about her gotra. And when he grew up and he attained a certain level at which he can go to Gurukula and attain the Gurukula, at that time Guru was asking about his gotra, but he doesn't know, at that time he doesn't know his gotra, and he asked his mother, what is my gotra? Then her mother said, I am prostitute, I don't know, I was working with many king's palace, I don't know who is your father, then how can I say about your gotra? But for your context, for your satisfaction, I would say your gotra would be Satyavan, Satyakam. Your gotra would be Satyakam. Then he again approached to his guru to attain a Gurukula. He said, Guru, spiritual master, I don't know about my gotra. My mother was working at a place of many kings, palace of many kings, and she doesn't know about my father. So I don't know about my gotra, but I would say my gotra I kept myself, I kept by it, it has kept by me, that is Satyakam. So Guru was very happy because he has spoken a truth. He was a truth teller. That's why he allowed him to attain his Gurukula, and he gave education to that Satyakam. So this is all about Chandogya Upanishad story, and on the basis of the division of the Lord Krishna said in chapter number 4, the division of Varna system, the division of the people. Actually this division was too good when Lord Krishna created, but time to time, due course of the time, it has changed, it has turned into caste system, and the caste system is only created by all of us for our personal benefit. चतुर्वर्ण माया शस्त्र माया सृष्टम गुणा कर्म विभागस, गुणा कर्म विभागस, कर्मों के आधारित और गुणों के आधारित मैंने डिवीजन किया है। पाठ मैंने कोई बर्थ के आधारित डिवीजन नहीं किया, जन्म के आधारित मैंने कभी डिवीजन नहीं किया है। दिस इज सेड इन वर्स नंबर 30 चैप्टर नंबर 4 द ट्रांसेंडेंटल नॉलेज। यहाँ पे लॉर्ड कृष्णा कहते हैं चातुर्वर्णीय मया सृष्ट गुणा कर्म विभागस, गुणा कर्म विभागस तस्य कर्तारंपि मा विद्य अकर्तम अव्यम। Lord Krishna here said according to the three mode of material nature, रजस तमस और सत्व, तीन गुणों के आधारित लॉर्ड कृष्णा ने इस मतलब वर्ण सिस्टम का निर्माण किया गया था ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द वर्क, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द प्रोफेशन, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द एबिलिटीज, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द स्किल एंड नॉलेज। लॉर्ड कृष्णा क्रिएटेड these things. The four division of the human society are created by me. Lord Krishna said, four division of human society are created by me. Although I am the creator of this system, you should know that I am not yet the non-dear being unchangeable. Nothing has changed, nothing has affected to me. Although I have created this entire four Varna system, but I am not affected by anything. This is said by Lord Krishna on the basis of the gunas, on the basis of the karma, on the basis of the skill, ability and knowledge. Lord Krishna created Varna system. But now in what context? The caste system is totally based we have turned this Varna system into caste system, and caste system is totally on the basis of birth, the father identity. There is no separate identity. I can't make my own identity. Only and only created by father. न मा कर्मणि लिपन्ति न मे कर्म फलस्पुह इति मा यो भजन्ति कर्म वीर ना स बध्यते. Lord Krishna said, there is no karma which are affected to me, nor I do aspire for the fruit of action. One who understands this truth about me also does not become entangled in the fruit of reaction of the work. This is said by Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna further said in chapter number 9, Lord Krishna here said, Lord Krishna here said, verse number 29, chapter number 9. Samoham sarva bhuteshu na me dvesanti na me priyah. Listen it very carefully. This is a main verse which one is defined the Varna system. Samoham sarva bhuteshu. In the Varna system and division of faith, on the division of the people, division of the society, Samoham sarva bhuteshu, all are equal for me. Samoham sarva bhuteshu na me dvesanti na me priyah. No one is dear to me and no one is envy to me. Yo bhajanti tu ma bhaktya, yo bhajanti tu mam bhaktya, mahite tesu chapi aham, mahite tesu chapi aham. I envy no one. I neither envy to anyone nor partial to anyone. I am equal to all. Lord Krishna said in the 4 division of the society, I am equal to everyone. But whoever renders service unto me in devotion, whoever renders service unto me in devotion is a friend and is in me, and I am also friend to him. That person is very dear, very dear to me, and he is my friend, and I am also his friend. This is said by Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna said, in the 4 division of the society, Lord Krishna said, even if one commit the most abominable action, if he engage in devotional services, listen it very carefully. आपने लाइफ में कितने भी पाप किए हैं, but if you are engaged yourself in devotional services is not like pretending, not spurious, but devotional service should be comes from the heart, should be coming from the heart, not by pretending, not showing off. No, devotional service in this present context, we are just praying God and agarbati karenge, puja karenge, blah 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 blah, and this is we call devotional services. But devotional service comes from the heart and comes from our mind. We have to concentrate on Lord Krishna, focus on Lord Krishna from our heart and our mind, and there is a connection between the soul and super soul. आत्मा का परमात्मा का जो रिलेशन होगा उसको स्ट्रेंथ करना, उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग करना, उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना, उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करना है. Otherwise devotional services will never be completed. He is to be considerable saintly because he is properly situated in his determination. अब strong determination से आप डिवोशनल प्रैक्टिसेस करोगे, भक्ति करोगे, तो आप परमात्मा को, लॉर्ड कृष्णा को प्राप्त कर लोगे. आप कितने भी पाप किए होगे, कितने भी एबोमिनेबल एक्शन किए होगे, बट यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट सुप्रीम पर्सन विद गॉड एंड लॉर्ड कृष्णा. Lord Krishna further says, verse number 31, he quickly becomes a righteous and attains the lasting peace. O son of Kunti, declares it boldly that my devotee never perishes. My devotee will never perishes. मतलब मेरे डिवोटी होगा, कभी उसका नाश होगा ही नहीं उनका. My devotee will definitely be immortal. मेरे जो डिवोटी हो गए वो अमर हो गए, इमोर्टल हो गए, उनका कभी नाश नहीं होगा, इम्पेरिसेबल हो गए मेरे डिवोटी. Lord Krishna further said, मही पार्थ व्यपास तृतीय ए पी सूय पापा योनः स्त्रियो वैश्य तथा शूद्र ते पी यंती परम गतिय. जो वैश्य शूद्र तथा मतलब पाप चरित पुरुष, कितने भी पाप किए होंगे, वैश्य वैश्य, स्त्रियों तथा शूद्र कोई भी हो गए, मैन ईटर भी हो गए, तभी उनको परम गति में दे दूंगा, उनको मोक्ष दे दूंगा। वन सन ऑफ पृथा, दोज हु टेक अ शेल्टर इन मी, जो मेरे में शरणागति स्वीकार लेते, मेरे में शरण ले लेते हैं, मुझे अपने जीवन का सुप्रीम गोल बना लेते हैं, लॉर्ड कृष्णा से उसको मैं इस जीवन के बंधन से मुक्त कर देता हूँ, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, चाहे कोई भी कास्ट, कोई भी धर्म हो, कुछ भी कोई भी क्यों ना हो, उसको मैं मोक्ष दिला दूंगा। सो लॉर्ड कृष्णा हियर neither partial to anyone nor envy to anyone. तो मतलब लॉर्ड कृष्णा हैज नेवर मेड दिस काइंड ऑफ caste system. Lord Krishna made only and only, Lord Krishna created only and only Varna system, but for our benefit we have created this caste system, and caste system is only and only responsible for the discrimination and conflict in between the two community in the society and disunity in the society, and whereas there is a disunity, there is no dharma in the society, and where there is no dharma, there is no supreme personality Godhead living in the society in between us. So we have to understand these things, and thank you so much. And I would have to add one thing. Arjun here asked to Lord Krishna, if there is a discrimination on the basis of the birth, Angraj Karna every time stated, I faced many difficulty, I could not got equal opportunity because of my birth. If it has happened, then if it is true, then I would say in near future no one has to be discriminated, no one will have to be discriminated on the basis of the birth. People should be recognized on the basis of the ability, skill, knowledge and as well as कर्मा. हमारी सही आइडेंटिटी हमारे कर्मा है, हमारा कोई मतलब हमारे बाप दादा ने क्या किया वो नहीं है, हमारे फादर हमारी आइडेंटिटी नहीं है, हमारी आइडेंटिटी हमारे कर्मा है. सो कर्मा बेस्ड फिलोसॉफी हमें फॉलो करना पड़े. कर्मा विल नेवर लीव टू एनीवन whoever make a discrimination on the basis of the caste, on the basis of the birth, किसी समाज को, किसी वर्ग को वंचित रखा जाए उनकी कास्ट, उनके जन्म के आधारित पे, तो वो मानवता के विरुद्ध है. और ऐसे अपराध को लॉर्ड कृष्णा स्वयं भी माफ नहीं करते. लॉर्ड कृष्णा उस व्यक्ति को पनिश देते हैं जो ऐसे अमानवीय प्रकृति करते हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच. हरे कृष्णा, राधे राधे.